Let me show you some tips and tricks for the camera on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. If you open the camera, then over here in the upper right corner, at least in the photo mode, you should be able to activate the cover screen preview. So after that, if you flip your phone, as you can see here, we still have the preview available. So of course, this can be useful for those who, for example, want to be captured with your phone. So if someone asks you to take a picture of them, you can actually activate the cover screen so they can see how they look like on the picture, and of course they can give you some tips on how to reposition the camera or what to do to make a better picture. If you want to make sure that you take photos using the highest resolution possible, what you can do is, for example, in the photo mode, you can tap on the 12M text, which allows you to switch to 50 megapixels. Of course, 50 megapixels comes with some restrictions. For example, you will probably have a very limited zoom option, but as a result, you can of course be certain that the photo's resolution is going to be the highest one possible. But in addition to that, to make sure that you actually get the highest resolution possible, you can also tap on these four dots on the right side, and you want to make sure that the aspect ratio is set to 3:4, at least for photos. This is the resolution and the aspect ratio that provides the highest resolution, of course. You can also find some beautify effects if you tap on these four dots over here on the right side. If you just swipe all the way to the right side, you should be able to find this smiley face, which allows you to apply some smoothness to the skin. You can adjust the tone, the jawline, and eyes. And of course, the same feature is available while using the front camera. That is not really a problem. As you can see, we have exactly the same set of options. And in addition to that, if you want to take a selfie photo and you want to make sure that both people or maybe a group of people are going to be easily captured, if you feel like it is very difficult to actually keep everyone in the frame, then you should be able to switch the field of view. You can increase it actually over here by switching to this bigger one. So of course, this is very helpful in the case of group selfie photos. If you go to the video mode, then over here we should be able to find this running person icon, which allows you to activate the super steady mode, which of course keeps the stabilizer on, and well, we still have the standard stabilizer, but this one is, I guess, with extra steps, if you can call it like that, which can be very helpful at times to make sure that your video is not really shaky. Of course, as a result, you might not be able to use 4K resolution, but of course, if you prioritize the stabilization of the camera, then of course, this is the option for you. Besides that, there's also the super steady with horizontal lock, which is even better option. Of course, if you want to, you can turn it off and you can just use the standard video stabilization as long as it is enabled in the settings. And you can check that by just simply opening settings of the camera on your phone. And then over here, we should be able to find the video stabilization so you can make sure that it is enabled. If you go to the More section, you should be able to find the Expert RAW app option, which is an additional plugin for the camera that unlocks even more features. Like for example, if we go to the Expert RAW over here, then we should be able to find, let's say, the astrophoto mode, which of course is a very fun camera mode to use. And not only that, we also have the astrophoto selfie or astro portrait, which you should be able to find very easily as well. We have the ocean mode, we have the ND filter, for example, and so on and so forth. This option actually provides lots of various different features, so be sure to download it and be sure to check that out. Of course, we also have access to these standard Pro parameters that we have available in the Pro mode. You can also take pictures using the RAW format if you needed that, and of course here we also have some additional options, so be sure to check that out. But I think among all of these from all of these different features that we have available in here, I think the astrophoto is definitely the most interesting one. And if you are wondering if you can use the camera without actually unfolding your phone, then yes, you can easily do so. In the app drawer on the cover screen, you should still be able to open the camera. Of course, we don't have access to everything, but some of the basic features are easily accessible over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.